Hello, here's a video to show you how to deal with a trig equation that has a compound angle. So let me show you examples of the type of thing that I mean by compound angle. So not just a straightforward theta, either a multiple of theta or theta added with a number adding onto it or subtracting from it, or a combination of both. Okay, so on this, the first step is to use the calculator to calculate what 3 theta is. So 3 theta is 60. You might not have needed to use your calculator. You might possibly already know what that is, which is great. So let's carry on from this. So as you know, with trig equations, we need to make sure that we've got all of the solutions in the range. So let's draw a quick cast diagram. So 60 degrees, put that on there. So 60 degrees on our cast diagram is, let's say, roughly about there. That's 60 degrees. Okay, because we're starting from 0 just here, and we go around to 180 and round back again to 360. Okay, cos 3 theta is a positive number, it's half. So we need to find the other quadrant where cos is also positive, and that is in this one, which has got C in it. So at that point we've got 3, that's 300. So that's the second solution. Let me just say at this point that at this stage, when we're finding out what 3 theta is, that's the time to work out all of the possibilities of the angles using the cast diagram or the relevant trig graph. This is the time to do it. But at this stage, all of the possibilities aren't the answers. We need to go to the next stage and find out actually what theta is. Because when we're solving this problem, we're finding out what theta is, not what the 3 theta is. So to get plain theta, we need to solve the equation 3 theta equals 60, obviously by dividing both sides by 3. So theta is 20 degrees, and then we need to solve this equation 3 theta equals 300, divide both sides by 3, theta is 100. So we're solving this equation and theta needs to be in the range 0 to 360. We can see that we haven't exhausted all of the possibilities here when we look at our 2 answers for theta. There's scope for a lot more. So let's go back to the previous stage where we were working out 3 theta and find more possibilities. So using the cast diagram, we've got the 60 and we've got the 300. We can continue going round and round and round until we've got all of the possibilities. So let's do that. So we started from 0 there, round to 360. If we carry on going, we've got 360 plus 60, so 420. If we carry on going round, we've got 300 plus 360, which is 660. Okay, and then we carry on going round and round. Let's do 2 more. Oops. 780 and 1020 degrees. That's a big long list of what 3 theta could be. So let's go back to the last stage where we're actually finding out what theta is and solve all of these equations. So the next one, we're solving 3 theta equals 420. Okay, so moving on to all the rest of them. We've got 220, which is 660 divided by 3, and 780 divided by 3, and 1200 divided by 3. Oops. 340. So I think we've got all of our possibilities now. Okay, so here's a question for you to do yourself. Feel free to pause the video, have a good go. When you turn the video on, I'll give you the answer. And here's the answer. You should have generated 5 theta plus 20 to be 45 and 225 initially, and then at this point extended those answers to include 405, 585 and 765, either using the cast diagram or the tan graph. You should then have taken 20 away from each answer and divided by 5 to get theta, and you will have arrived at these answers. I hope this has helped you. Thank you very much for watching.